When I was a little kid, I used to watch the animated Godzilla cartoon on NBC on Saturday mornings. I don't exactly know when I got it, but I received the Godzilla View Master set. Today I'm drawing my own mixture of the NBC cartoon and the View Master version. Here we go, go Godzilla! When I was a little kid, I used to watch the animated Godzilla cartoon on NBC on Saturday mornings. I don't exactly know when I got it, but I received the Godzilla View Master set. It came with a really cool mini comic and 3 reels. I looked at it over and over again. The cartoon ended, but I still looked at those reels. The 80s hit and the weekends were golden. Saturday mornings were loaded with cartoons. Super Friends, Bugs Bunny Roadrunner Show, Flash Gordon, The Return of Space Ghost, reruns of Johnny Quest, Spider-Man, His Amazing Friends, and Fat Albert. The weekend was golden in the 80s. Cartoons on Saturday, matinee at the Bijou on Sunday. After Bandstand and wrestling, if sports didn't come on, our local ABC affiliate would show movies on both Saturday and Sunday afternoons. And I mean super cool movies. Hercules, Samson, westerns, kung fu movies, monster movies, and of course Godzilla movies. The Godzilla movies would almost always start with the old Cinema Share International logo, and it had this cool snare drum over it. When we heard that, we knew something cool was about to start. They'd play Godzilla vs. the Bionic Monster, later changed to the Cosmic Monster. I'd heard because Universal said they owned the word bionic, I guess. Godzilla vs. Gigan, which is my personal favorite. Well, the lead character in the film draws comics. How could you go wrong? The last one played over and over again for several years. Godzilla vs. Megalon. When I was a teenager and our family got a VCR, I bought Godzilla vs. Megalon at our local Kmart because it was the only Godzilla film they had there. I watched it over and over again and wore out my old Good Time Videos videotape. I had to get another copy. This copy was a double feature with the Snow Creature. I haven't wore this one out yet, but it's not for a lack of trying. Over the years I've collected all the Godzilla films on VHS and DVD, and I've amassed a nice collection of Godzilla toys. Some people say, hey, that's worth some cash, you ought to sell it on eBay. I don't want to do that. It'd be like tossing away a large chunk of my childhood. Well, I'm through rambling for now. Right now, I'm going to pop some corn, crack open a frosty Mountain Dew, and sit back with one of my old worn-out copies of Godzilla vs. Megalon and have a good time. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, share, and subscribe. And we'll see you next time on Draw TV.